Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'll cover how to make a black background transparent in Adobe Premiere. To kick things off, I imported a simple background video. And I have this neon symbol video with a black background that I'd like to remove to reveal the background video underneath. Begin by dragging the background video onto your timeline. Then drag your video with the black background on the track above it. To remove the black background, head over to your effects panel. Type Luma key in the search box and then drag the effect onto the top clip that contains the black background. It should immediately remove the black. However, it made my symbol a little too transparent. So to adjust the quality of the key, make sure your top clip is selected and go over to Effect Controls. Under Luma key, adjust the threshold to recover or remove some of the darker colors. You can also play around with the cutoff setting to reverse the effect, like this. But bear in mind, the cutoff setting can also make the end result look a little jaggier, so use it at your own preference. Now, when I play everything back, the neon symbol overlays the background video without its black background. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.